Hey cadets, remember back in 2011 during the Occupy Wall Street movement when the people were actually fighting against economic inequality and the 1% was sitting there sipping their champagne, laughing at everybody and taking pictures? This is literally and figuratively the 1% looking down on the masses. It really boils down to the opportunities that we are afforded in life. What if we had friends in these higher up positions who worked at the banks and Wall Street? Maybe we do. And so we're here in Phuket, Thailand to find out more. Wow, Occupy Wall Street was over 10 years ago. No wonder my back's been kind of hurting.
Cryptonauts.
Yeah, so maybe you can start off just by telling us a little bit about yourself.
Sure. Yeah. So my name is Kyle, and I've been in crypto since 2012. That's the first time I kind of discovered Bitcoin, and then by 2013, I was really completely captivated by it. My fascination, obsession with Bitcoin drew me so much into that I sold my company that was in regenerative medicine called the Reverse Aging Institute for $120,000, and I used that to buy Bitcoin. And ironically, the thing that allowed me to become financially free was just the fact that I had all this Bitcoin that had appreciated, and when it hit $1,000 each, so I'm like, okay, wow, now I never have to work anymore. In starting in 2015, I started investing in infrastructure projects. So I've got equity in Coinbase, Kraken, Ripple. There's a lot that I've learned that I want to give back and I want to share. And so that's why I have my YouTube channel, and that's also why I started Master Ventures, so we can get more actively involved in building, investing, advising, supporting. So
we can start with Commonwealth itself. How did that even come about?
There was a platform, there is still a platform called Bank to the Future. It's kind of like Kickstarter for deals for accredited investors. I can go to their website anytime and I can see oh, Kraken is now doing their Series A funding round, co-invest along with Pantera and Polychain, and look at these big VCs are investing in this and I can invest in the same round as them. That's amazing. There's a very small percentage of people on this planet that get the privilege to invest in high quality deals very early. Sure, the least risky is probably investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but no one's going to make life-changing gains on those, right? So if you talk about high risk, high reward profiles, if you're buying low cap coins on the secondary market or early stage VC investing, you're much better off early stage VC investing. We want to build something that was easy to use for non-crypto enthusiasts, because most people in the world aren't watching the markets like we are. They don't understand that volatility is normal because the stock market doesn't do that, right? It doesn't go up and down 10% in a day. So there's so many people around the world who want exposure to crypto, but have no idea how to do it. Maybe they don't care about it so much either. They just want to invest their money. So there's a huge opportunity to build a product that it can appeal to all of those crypto curious people, the ones that want some exposure, but don't really want to do the work themselves. I'll explain a bit how Commonwealth works. A smart contract, which is a fund, essentially will be launched. And so anybody in the world can come invest into that with stablecoin as much as they want. $20 or $100,000. It's permissionless, open to anybody. And when the fund fills, let's say all $10 million is sold out, that's it. No more people can invest into that fund. And everyone that invests into that fund, you get what we're calling a slice.
Save me a slice!
Which is actually an NFT. And that NFT represents your share proportionate to everybody else of that fund. If I have that slice that says I own 1% of this fund, maybe I would like to get some liquidity sooner. With Commonwealth, the second you make that transaction on chain, you put your stablecoin in, boom, you get in your wallet back your receipts, the NFT, the slice, and immediately you can do whatever you want with that. And so if I wanted to, I could just go sell my NFT on the secondary market, or I can fractionalize that NFT, and let's say I can fractionalize it into 10 different pieces, and I can go sell 2 or 3 of them. Maybe I take out my initial investment, and then the rest of them are house money riding, right? So for the first time ever, now you've got instant liquidity within a fund, and so you can be in as long as you want, or you can, there'll be a secondary market for the positions in these funds, and that's pretty much how it works.
So there you have it. We're really, really grateful for the Commonwealth team for flying us out here to Phuket. The beaches and the weather, it's fantastic. Hope you enjoyed it because we're just gonna go and fly the drone some more. Oh wait, it's going that way.